Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn off your active status on Instagram. Stick around until the end to learn all the steps and tips to browse privately without other knowings when you're online. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your smartphone and make sure that you're logged into your account. Tap on the profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Next, click on the menu icon in the top right corner of your profile page and it will bring you to this page. In the settings menu, scroll down and tap on Messages and Story Replies. This section allows you to manage who can contact you and see your activities. In this section, look for the option of Show Activity Status option and you will see this toggle switch. Turn off the switch to hide your activity status. Once the toggle is off, no one will be able to see when you were last active or if you are currently online. Turning off your active status means that you also would not be able to see the activity status of other users. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.